Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Tech Tips. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training, and in this 5-minute tech tip, I'm going to show you how you can do some pretty amazing customization in all of Microsoft Office. And since 2007, maybe 2010, they've really offered quite a bit of customization tools for people to take advantage of, and not a lot of people use them. So namely, one is the Quick Access Toolbar. Many of you may actually see your Quick Access Toolbar above the ribbon. I like to have mine below the ribbon. So I'm going to click here, Show Below the Ribbon. And I'm going to customize this to make it so I can have anything I want on this part here, because there's things that I use all the time and I want to have quick access to them. So when you click on this, you'll see there's a number of different sort of off-the-shelf types of things. Okay, I'm going to add on new and open and email. Okay, there's a great quick print, all that stuff, right? So I'll do email. Now, there's other things that I want to have onto my quick access toolbar, but they're just not showing here, right? So how do you add them on here? It's very, very easy. So let's just say, for example, I bring in images all the time. So I've go over here to Insert. And I like to have pictures on here just the same. Very easy. Just simply right click and say add to quick access toolbar, right? Anything you want, you can add on to that. Okay, let's just do another one. Let's just say layout. I'm constantly making my stuff from portrait to landscape. Just say add to quick access toolbar, and then bam, there you have it, just the same. Okay. Now, there might be some things that you see that are not up here that you want to. Like one really popular one is saving as a PDF. So if I click on this drop down, I come over here to more commands, you will see this takes me to my Word options. Now this on the right hand side is what I currently have. Okay, on the left hand side are what my choices are. So here I could very easily order these around. So let's say I want to make a new file up on top. I can do that. Let's have open right after that. Okay, and the left hand side I can say, okay, well, what do I want on there? Okay, and a lot of these are already on the ribbon. Some things are not in the ribbon, like for example exporting to PDF. So I'm going to click on the drop down, and you'll notice here is this popular commands not in the ribbon, all these things here. It even filters that out by tabs. What I like to do is go to the file tab. So I happen to know that exporting to a PDF lives in the file tab. Click on the little scroll bar here. I'm going to say what I want to do. I want to publish as a PDF. Click add. I also want to email as PDF. Click add, and then bam, there they are. Okay, of course I can move these around. I can also remove them if I don't want them here as well. All right, and if you don't like what you see later on, you can reset, and it sets right back to the default. You can also import and export between computers, maybe to other people if you want. So really nice you have that option to do that. And also note that you can save different quick access toolbars per document, right? Depending on what you want to do. For now, this is going to be saved for all of my documents. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Great, and there you have it. Okay. Part two of the customization, actually, let me just tell you one other thing too, is that for shortcut keys, it's actually pretty neat too. If you just tap on the Alt key on your keyboard, you'll notice that all these little numbers appear here. So if I wanted to insert an image, I can say Alt 09, and you can see that that is. Or if I want to do export as a PDF, it'll be Alt 3, and that just comes right up. You'll also notice some of these other keyboard shortcuts as well. Okay, so in terms of working with the ribbon, I'm just going to go quick and dirty on this one too. So if you right click on this, you're going to say customize the ribbon this time. And then it looks very similar, but I have all my ribbon options on the right hand side. All right, so you can see I can take away some of the things I don't really use, but I could also create new tabs and new groups. All right, so these are tabs and then these are groups. So it's a really great way to just kind of organize your content. So if I say new tab, all right, I'm going to rename that to Dave's Faves. All right, and then I could start adding in some new things into this one. All right, so let's go ahead and just say draw table, footnotes, bullets. Okay, there we go. All right, and then maybe I'll do another new group in there. And then so I'm going to rename this one. I'm just going to call this image stuff. This one we'll call admin formatting Okay, that's great. So let me just add in a couple of things for images. Notice the drop-down menu. I have all these different other kinds of filters. It looks a little bit different. So I'm going to go over here to tabs. I'm going to go to insert. And I know there's a whole bunch of stuff with an illustration. So I'm going to add in this one, add in that one. I love shapes. That's great. And then they're all inside of image stuff. Where do I want this? I'm going to put this maybe all the way at the beginning, above my home tab. Click OK. And now you will see I have my own tab here. I customized this all the way from the ground up with all of my stuff. Nice and big icons. If you like them bigger compared to this is a really great option. All right, so if you ever want to get back to them again, just right click and then you can make your customization, get rid of them if you want to, but really take advantage of these. And by the way, this is in Word that I'm doing this in, but it's literally the same process if you were to do it in PowerPoint, if you were to do it in Excel, if you do it even in Outlook, you can do this. All right, so this was a nice quick and dirty 5-minute tech tip with Dave Casuto. Feel free to subscribe here. Find me on my YouTube channel if you're not there already, and through LinkedIn, and also the website is sftechtraining.com, and feel free to reach out. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.